Okay, everyone, that noise in the background is rain, but this is my beekeeping toolbox that I built, or Merrill box. I built it over a year ago. It's all scrap wood from pallets and the whatnot. But Merrill boxes sell for around 60 bucks, and I was like, there's no way I am paying that, but I do need a toolbox. So these are some of the things that I keep in it. Of course, I don't keep my beekeeping veil in there, but my brush goes in the slot on the side. Little Velcro helps keep me from losing it. And then my smoker. And you see this little can lid? That is an entry door for bees to go in and out if I happen to catch a swarm. Vent holes, screened, of course. Hive tool in the side here, fits snugly. And then the strap, which goes from front to back. The lid is hinged and has a keeper hook. And this is all made out of scrap wood. 1/2 inch by 2 inch boards I ripped down, 3/8 plywood, burnt nylon webbing for a lid hold, and it holds 5 frames because it can also double as a nuke box. And 5. The inside is burnt. I said the air holes are screened. Okay, and inside here I keep some blue rubber dishwashing gloves. Keep a knife that's flexible. Some Q-tips. Rubber bands, which you can see there because sometimes I'll grab a comb. That is one of the pads I use for making swarm traps and trap outs on hives. Let's see what else I got in here. Oh, a soft bristled brush goes with this brush. I use it to sweep the bees in. More rubber bands. A lighter for said smoker. Flathead screwdriver. Help with prying, scraping, and that sort of thing. And then baggies. What's not in here right now is my lemongrass oil, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil, which lemongrass oil I'll bait hives. Now these things, if you notice I didn't have a frame holder on front or the top of my box. That's because these holes are here and I have different size hives. So these ones go here like so. Hold the 19-inch Langstra frames for those hives, which I don't have any in here at this time, but you move these holes to these holes, which they fit nice and tight. But those are for my 17-inch top bars. Yes, honey. I'll be right there. And that's my beekeeping toolbox. But it's also a 5-frame nuke And like I said, here's the entrance, 1-inch hole. Vents on both ends. And there's also a knot hole that fell out on the inside, so I just screened it. The inside's all burnt. And everything. Okay, so that is my beekeeping toolbox. Merrill box made out of recycled pallet wood. Please like and subscribe for future videos and notifications. And see you next video.